ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ಭಾಗವತಂ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಂ ಟು ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ಭಾಗವತಂ. ನಿಗಮಕಲ್ಪತರೋರ್ಗಲಿತಂ ಫಲಂ ಸುಖಮುಖಾದಮೃತದ್ರವಸಂಯುತಂ ಪಿಬತ ಭಾಗವತಂ ರಸಮಾಲಯಂ ಮುಹುರಹೋ ರಸಿಕಾ ಭುವಿ ಭಾವುಕಾಃ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಂ ಟು ಶ್ರೀಸುಖಯೋಗೀಂದ್ರ. ಯಂ ಪ್ರವ್ರಜಂತಮನುಪೇತಮಪೇತಕೃತ್ಯಂ ದ್ವೈಪಾಯನೋ ವಿರಹಕಾತರ ಆಜುಹಾವ ಪುತ್ರೇತಿ ತನ್ಮಯತಯಾ ತರವೋ ವಿನೇದುಃ ತಂ ಸರ್ವಭೂತಹೃದಯಂ ಮುನಿಮಾನತೋಸ್ಮಿ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಂ ಟು ನರನಾರಾಯಣ, ಚತುರ್ಮುಖ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ, ಸರಸ್ವತೀ ದೇವಿ, ವ್ಯಾಸಮಹರ್ಷಿ. ನಾರಾಯಣಂ ನಮಸ್ಕೃತ್ಯ ನರಂ ಚೈವ ನರೋತ್ತಮಂ ದೇವೀಂ ಸರಸ್ವತೀಂ ವ್ಯಾಸಂ ತತೋ ಜಯಂ ಉದೀರಯೇತ್. In Srimad Bhagavatam 4th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Maitreya teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, Sriman Narayana saying to Dhruva like this, O Dhruva, for a while you will rule your kingdom and then you will attain the place what you are wanting to attain, and then you will come back to my divine abode from where you would never go back into this birth and death cycle. Like that, Sriman Narayana blessed Dhruva, and then he was worshipped by Dhruva, and then while Dhruva is looking at Swam Agat Garudadhvajaha, Paramatma left from there to his divine abode. Dhruva, he is still left with unsatisfaction. He got Bhagavan Darsanam and he got whatever the fruit he is seeking. Even after all that, he is still with unhappiness. With that unhappiness, Dhruva went back to his own town. Now, when all this is told by Maitreya to Vidura, Vidura is asking, Oh Maitreya, Dhruva got Paramatma's Darsanam, which is impossible for anyone even after doing tapasya for lives together. But he got that in just one life, and he also got Paramatma's divine abode. Again, Kadham Swam Atmanam Amanyata. Even after attaining such a great fruit from Paramatma, why Dhruva is still left with unhappiness? Like that, Vidura asked Maitreya. Now Maitreya saying that, Oh Vidura, yes, Dhruva was very much hurt by the words of his stepmother, and he did worship Paramatma. Bhagavan gave him darshanam. Now he is feeling that even after getting Sakshat Sriman Narayana's darshanam, his mind was still thinking about these mundane things while being in front of Paramatma. That kind of regression is there in Dhruva's heart. That is why he is still feeling unhappiness. Like that, Maitreya saying to Vidura. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana.